So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your Instagram error when you open your reels that it shows that something went wrong. Please try again later. So if you're facing that problem, then first of all you have to subscribe my YouTube channel to fix the errors like that one. So first of all we have to open our Instagram. Here you can see when we open our Instagram, this error will shown on our Instagram. So now we are going to fix this error. So go back to your main menu. After that you have to open your Play Store. Here we go. After opening the Play Store you have to search here Instagram. Here we go. So first of all you have to check that your Instagram is up to date or not. You have to firstly update your Instagram. After updating your Instagram, go back to main menu again, and after that you have to open your settings. After opening the settings, scroll down and here you have to find the apps. Here we go, click on that. After that in the corner you get the search bar. Here you have to search Instagram. There we go. After that you have to scroll down and after that click on the storage. After going on that you have to clear the cache of it and after that clear the data. After doing this you have to go back to your main menu and in the last you have to check that your internet connection is going well or not. If you are using the Wi-Fi connection, then you have to turn on your mobile data, and if you are using a mobile data, so you have to convert it into your Wi-Fi connection and it might will be fixed. So now we check that our problem is fixed or not. Now we are going to open our Instagram. So here we go. So you can see my Instagram is now working properly. So if my video is helpful for you, then subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.